7.
7 right now.
Yeah.
You have pain right now, 7.
Yeah. It's just I screwed it up cycling.
If I treat you, will you go back to cycling 2 times?
Now I'm taking a break this week.
This week. Okay, so I only have 3 more days. Monday's coming up. Is that what's going on?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you have the pain?
Like 2 weeks now.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
Are you acupuncturist?
Yeah.
How come you didn't put needle there?
It's been so busy.
Okay. So, let's take care of her, okay? I'm gonna do the demonstration. And one at a time, please. Yeah. So, I will not explain to you what channel that I do, but later on I will. But I will make sure that she works just properly. First of all, I will check where is the 6th meridian, right? Okay. Can you show us one finger right there?
Okay.
You have to do this to feel the pain, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, right here. Right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Relax now. Okay, right here.
Mm-hmm.
Can you feel the pain?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
All right. Relax. Here you go. Tender?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I don't massage people.
Yeah.
There more?
It's like a little lower.
Right here?
Yeah. Right there.
Okay. Right. How about here? Just here.
Yeah. Right
Ah, I
there.
feel it. All right. So can you feel it right now, the pain?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right. Okay, feel it.
Oh, yeah, it's better. It's like a 4 now.
Within how many seconds? 6 seconds. That's Dr. Tan's favorite number, okay? Okay, relax the shoulder. Very good. Lean back. And then it's going up or going down, my dear? The pain. Can you show him? It's still 4 out of 10 or continue reducing?
It's definitely getting better. But yeah, I think the pain goes more up.
Goes up?
Yeah.
How about now? Sorry, I'm showing off.
It's like less sharp and more dull.
Okay, where is it now?
It's kind of feels like it's getting deeper in.
Inside?
Yeah.
Okay, relax the shoulder. Okay, now go ahead, find it. Feel it.
Yeah, that's like way better.
Way better?
Yeah.
Okay. Let it cook for another 45 minutes. And then you should be much better. And then you take your picture right here. You needle yourself.
I know.
Every day. You might cycling next week.